Welcome to Session 27. Probability measures likelihood. Today we use basic probability, complements, two-way tables, conditional probability, and replacement rules. Basic probability is favorable outcomes over total outcomes. For not red, use the complement rule, 1 minus the probability of red. In a two-way table, marginal probabilities use row or column totals. Joint probabilities use an intersection cell over the grand total. Conditional probability changes the reference group. Given sport means restrict the denominator to students who play a sport. For independent events, multiply the probabilities. For at least one, the complement is often faster. 1 minus the probability of none. Without replacement, the second probability depends on the first draw. After one red is removed, only 4 red remain out of 7 total. Your turn. P of A is 0.4 and P of B is 0.3. The events are independent. Pause and find P of A and B. For independent events, P of A and B equals P of A times P of B. 0.4 times 0.3 equals 0.12. Session 27 recap. Basic probability is favorable over total. Complements use 1 minus. Given that sets the denominator. Independent events multiply, and without replacement changes the counts.